In this video, I'll show you how to pair your iPhone to your new Pioneer in-dash receiver through Bluetooth. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have buttons on the side or along the bottom like this one, and may or may not have a DVD player built in, the on-screen and button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer AVH-EX models: AVH-210EX, AVH-201EX, AVH-210EX, AVH-211EX, MVH-200EX, MVH-300EX. Before we get started with pairing your iPhone to the in-dash receiver through Bluetooth, let's check a couple of settings on the in-dash receiver to make sure we're all set up and ready to go. So I want to get to the Bluetooth settings, and there's a couple of different ways to do that. I can touch the telephone button down here, and I can touch the gears, but look, the gears are grayed out, so we're going to need to fix that. Let's hit the X. I can also touch the gears up here and go down to the Bluetooth settings, but look, again, the Bluetooth settings are grayed out, so we need to engage the parking brake. When I engage the parking brake, you can see that the Bluetooth settings become available, and I can also do that by touching the telephone here and going up to the gears and get back to those same Bluetooth settings. So right now, the only setting that I'm particularly concerned about is visibility. I want to make sure that visibility is on. This makes the in-dash receiver visible to other devices through Bluetooth. That's all we'll need to do right now. We didn't need to change a single setting. And in fact, I'm going to take the parking brake off, so the parking brake is not engaged right now, and we'll connect the phone through Bluetooth. So on the phone now, I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings. Let's go to my settings menu here, and here's Bluetooth. I want to make sure that Bluetooth is switched on, and this screen is on my phone. That means it's searching for other devices. Let's scroll down here, and here is other devices, AVH-210EX. We'll select that, and that generates a pairing request, 011972. That's the same number over here. So we'll say pair on the phone, and yes on the in-dash receiver, and the two devices will be paired. So this also says, do you want to sync your contacts over to the in-dash receiver? And we'll say allow to that. So now you can see that the Bluetooth logo is lit up in blue right over here. That tells me that we're connected to the phone. Now, what I've done is reset the in-dash receiver. So I have erased all of the phones that are remembered by the in-dash receiver, and I have erased this AVH-210EX from the phone too. So the two pieces have not seen each other before. And now we're going to do another way, show you another way to pair your in-dash receiver to the phone. This time we're going to search from the in-dash receiver over to the phone. So I'm going to touch the telephone here and try to get to the gears, but look, you can't do that. And again, if I touch the gears up here, I can't get to the Bluetooth settings. I have to engage the parking brake. When I engage the parking brake here, I can get to the Bluetooth settings. And under connection, I'm going to touch the magnifying glass here in just a moment. But now let's go to the phone. And under settings on the phone, I'm going to go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. And this window is visible on the phone because this makes the phone discoverable to other devices. Now we'll touch the magnifying glass, and that will search for phones to connect to the in-dash receiver. All right, there's Harry's iPhone. That's this phone. We'll select that. And that will generate a pairing request. 510895. That's the same number over here. So we'll say yes, pair with that device, and on the phone we'll say pair. And the two devices are paired. Then we also want to allow it to sync its contacts. I'm going to hit the X up here. And I can see that the two devices are paired because I have the Bluetooth logo lit up in blue right here. Now let's take a look at the in-dash receiver to check the connection to the phone. So I'm going to touch the telephone button here, and the parking brake is still engaged. I'm going to go to the gears, and under my connection menu, Here's Harry's iPhone that is connected, and if I wanted to delete this device, I could touch the trash can there, and that would remove that device from the connection menu on the in-dash receiver.